bought this for my kids a while back. Electric dirt bike. Wasn't fun at all. Too slow, too weak, and no driving distance almost. So yeah, it's just been sitting there and yeah, taking space. So I decided to switch out the engine to gasoline powered because that was much cheaper than starting to buy electric engine and better, bigger batteries and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna change to gas power. Let's tear it down. So I realized the sprockets and chain are on the other side on the petrol engine, so I need to turn this around like that, so you get the brake and sprocket on the other side. So yeah, pretty straightforward actually. That's nice. And then gonna cut off this engine mount for the electro engine and make engine mount for the petrol engine. So yeah, that's next. Okay, I'll take off some parts then. It's okay. So it's kind of possible. That one. Okay. I needed a lot more space than expected. So yeah, had to really chop up the frame. But yeah, gotta do what you gotta do.